Hey, welcome to the weekly dance tutorials. Today, joining me, I have a special guest. This is Bree. Before we begin this tutorial, don't forget to stretch your arms. Number one is here. So we're gonna do basic prayer position, hands together, fingertips up here, wrists down here, and you could keep it like fairly close to your chest. Okay, and then that's the first move, and then you're gonna go over here. Yes, and so when you move it over, you want to make sure this is straight, okay, like that, and this one goes down. Cool?
Is that okay?
Yep, right here, and then we're gonna go up. Okay, so that's the second one. So from here, we're gonna go 1, a 2, and then point. Yeah, so you wanna take your fingertips, the top of your fingertips, and then you just wanna point straight ahead, like that. And the way you're gonna do that is from the side, it looks like this. Like that. Yep, and it doesn't have to be like perfect. Like notice I kind of just open my hands to kind of point it, because if I close it, it wouldn't be completely straight. So you want to just kind of point it like that. And now we're gonna point to our left, which is probably your right. All right.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go back like that. So you're gonna have to lean back a little bit. This is what it looks like from this side. Okay, so after you point, you turn. You want to lean back a little bit and drop it this way. Okay, but you also want to bring this up a little bit like that, so that it stays in the same spot. Because if you leave it too low, there's nowhere for your arm to go. Notice there's like a little space here, so that should give you enough space to put this down. You see that? Yeah, but from here you want to rotate it from your elbow. You're gonna go boom. Yeah, but notice that my elbow is still touching my wrist. Yes, and then this part you want to make it like that still. And this is higher. There you go. You see the box? There's a box. If you fold it downward, if this is like the top down view, this is what it looks like. So from here, that's what it should look like. It should be a square still. Okay, so from the top, here's 1, and then a 2, and 3, 4, turn, drop it, and then from here you want to push it forward. Yeah, so notice how there's a gap for you.
Yeah.
You want to make sure your wrist is right here and like that.
So I move it.
Yeah,
So I do 2 movements.
so the way everything is connecting, yeah, is at the wrist and the elbow. So notice that once I slide up from the very beginning, right?
Here.
Yeah, it's kind of like right here, down here, and you see when I rotate it, it's still connected, right? And then from here, you slide it forward. So from the top view, it looks like that. I'm just going from here to here. So from the top, boom, move it over, okay, up, point it forward, turn it to the left, give yourself some space and move it down, push it forward, okay, nice, that's
Okay,
perfect.
yeah.
And then from here, it's gonna be a little tough because now we're gonna move this hand down, and notice how my body kind of turns,
Okay.
and this ends up actually at your wrist.
Okay, wrist, elbow.
Everything is like connecting in lines. Yes, like that.
Yes.
And this actually should be closer to here. Yeah, there you
And
go.
you want to do the,
Yes.
do the shape.
And then from here, this is kind of a hard part right here. For those of you looking in the front view, I'm gonna turn this and point it to the front. So this is gonna point to the front. Yes. And then the other one is gonna go the opposite direction. So if this one goes this way, like slice it forward, the other one's gonna slice back and to the left side of your neck. So from here, this one goes to the neck, this one goes to the front. If you look at the top view, this is what it looks like on the top. You're making scissors. See, because this is like, it's like cutting, right? So if this is here, it opens up. So if this is the top view,
This?
it
Like this?
opens. Yes, yes. But you don't want to move with your hand. You want to move with your whole forearm as one big piece. You see, look, from the top view, it looks like this. Boom. See how this moves as one piece, and this one moves as another piece. So from here, boom. Keep it flat. Okay. And this, I know it's hard, but if you turn your body too, like that, see how your shoulder goes down? It makes it straight. And this stays there. So once you kind of tilt your body a little bit, it makes it a better shape. And then from here, you can just go back. You see how the L part just goes to the neck? So from here, go to the neck. Bam, that was perfect, nice. Okay, now from here, same thing, let's repeat that part. 5, 6, 7, 8, neck. One more time, 5, 6, 7, 8, neck. So from here, I would go, boom. And you can almost just reset it. Like wherever it's at, you could just reset it to the middle. Now this is just pointing over there, and this is pointing at the little corner. Because once it's at the corner, you could slide it outside of the corner like that. You guys see that? Okay, from here, you slide it out with the one that's bent. So from here, slide it out. Exactly. And this does not move. You just go boop like that.
Okay, yeah. So just
Yeah. Here, boop, really easy. And then I'm just gonna move on from here. You're gonna push, and this one's just gonna go back down, right? And this is gonna go forward. Yeah, so from wherever this is at, just push it all the way to the front. From here, up, forward, turn, back, this way, and then you're gonna go down here and then fold it. You see how it's folding? Okay, so
I
here,
just move it.
yeah, exactly. So boom, and make sure this is still showing the back of your hand. Yes, because remember, when you're here, it's the same piece. Keep it the same, and you're gonna go boop, right? Slide it over, push it to the front. Okay, here's the part where we're gonna need some space. All right, everything's gonna go to the right. So here we go. Ready? To the right. Nice. Rotate it. So from here, just think, go to the left. Left. You see that? Left, and open it up too. So you wanna make a square. Pretend like there's a square here, and from here you wanna make that square. You feel it?
What about this one?
That one. So you're like this, right? You actually wanna bend it and make a square right here.
Like this?
Yes, but you see how your square is like more like a diagonal? You wanna make a box in this empty space. Imagine a straight line going across your arms, right? This is the middle line. Here's the bottom sector. Here's the top sector, right? One of them is up here. One of them's down here. So they're both gonna meet in that middle line. From here, we're gonna make it easy. We're gonna bring our wrist together. But keep this pointing wherever it was, and this over here, and you just bring your wrist together. Yeah, remember, don't bend anything from your hand. Bend it from the elbow. Yes, perfect. Here's a really hard part, okay? If you don't get it,
This
it's
is
fine.
the circular one, right?
Yeah. Okay, here's an advanced concept, right? We're gonna take the wrist and we're gonna move it in a half circle down. Yeah, so here, point at your wrist.
Point at it?
Yeah, just point at it. Push it a little, and then flatten it. And then from here, push it even more, bend it. You see that? So feel the motion of this going around. Perfect. From here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8, circle, and lift it up. Perfect. Check it out. This is the easiest part. You just go like this.
Okay.
Yes.
Go to the end.
Yes, that's the very end. You did it.
Massage it.
You
Massage it. Massage it.
see, this is why you need a boyfriend and girlfriend, because you get hurt from dancing. Try to do it to any song. It should work because it's in whole counts.
Should you do it real fast?
Yeah, I'll do one example. Okay, one example of how it looks like in a pretty normal pace. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Open, close. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boop. There you go. If she can do this combo, which is a pretty hard combo.
Is it really? How hard is it?
It is pretty hard. You've got a lot of advanced things in there, like a little advanced mechanics. But if you can do that, then you're doing fine.
Massage.
And if you can't do it, it's okay. Just keep practicing, and you'll be fine. Okay? You got it. Give me a high five.
Okay.
Thank you.